Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on the Trump coin. And maybe we'll talk about the Melania coin launch a little bit as well, but just in general, wanted to give you my thoughts on the current situation. A lot has gone down. I mean, yesterday was still incredibly bullish. I mean, I covered it yesterday morning, of course. After that, we still got a huge amount of volume coming in. And the price the price went to an all-time high. I think on Binance it actually was higher, and I know on Hyperliquid's perps, so Hyperliquid, the decentralized perpetual future exchange, the price went even into the 90s. So there's always, I mean, when a coin is this new and there's different markets and there's a lot of money being thrown in. Sometimes people just buying or longing millions of dollars at once, then you're going to have these price differences, right? And there's possibility for arbitrage. But right now, the price seems to be fairly equal on all exchanges, around $54. But was incredibly bullish. I mean, the volume right now is even still up, but obviously, I mean, the volume right now is at $50 billion, which is crazy. And at a $51 billion fully diluted valuation. I want to say two things about this coin. I mean, I've actually been quite stressed about these coins, because I think long term they're not amazing for the crypto space, at least in my opinion, and that's just my opinion. Doesn't matter. But something like this, I mean, if you look up the tokenomics for the Trump coin, this is not a coin I would hold. All right, the fully diluted valuation of $50 billion. Look, a coin like this can hold a market cap of $10-20 billion, whether you like it or not. But with all the unlocks that are coming in the next year, I would be very careful with holding this, and I would also say on a day like today, this is just going to be massively volatile. All right, and then you would say, well, I just want to buy the coin. I'm not going to trade it. Well, then you have to ask yourself the question, well, do you want to buy while it's sitting at a fully diluted valuation? What if today is just going to be a massive sell the news effect? Then you're stuck holding a coin that's probably, with all the unlocks, never going to get back to the same price because the market cap is that high. So be careful trading this, all right? I mean, in the end, I care most about all of yours money. I hope a lot of you made money on the Trump coin in the last weekend. I've been bullish on this yesterday. Yesterday I said, oh, it's going up to $50, and after that we can get into 65. That was my main price target. Went a little bit higher as well. When we were at $25 is when I first covered it. What I said is that I think we're going for $30. So I've always been bullish on this, and I've always, even though I did not like the coin, I've always told you I think this is going up. Right now I just don't know, and it even looks more likely. I mean, you can see the volume has increased rapidly. Was a ton of selling going on, and then right now the volume is actually dropping down. And in general, and I'm not sure, we don't have the open interest yet, but this structure is not amazing. Like, the only way Trump can still rally here, obviously it's with volatility. I mean, it's the inauguration today, so we might actually see some sort of a spike ahead of that into 75, into 80. We might actually make higher highs. But ultimately, right now, technically, the only way we can actually stay bullish, I think, is if we're actually able to hold this level right here around $50. So if we're able to hold that level, then I think we can actually see a bullish couple of days and actually get some sort of sustained bullish momentum into 75, and then we can potentially also still head up higher. But that is the magic level. And if today Trump will drop down below $50, what I expect is that we'll still see some sort of a spike around the inauguration, but then it will be retraced and we will be going lower. So be careful for that, all right? That's in the end my conclusion. Be careful with this coin. It's going to be a volatile day. It looks, at this point of time, it still looks most likely we're going higher, but keep your eyes on that $50 level. That's the magic level in my opinion. If that fails, we're going down. And hopefully you're not on the ship when we do. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.